We drove into Portugal for you know, the sun, and now we had to flee. We even left some supplies outside, but at least we could save the food, and now we're going to wait it out in the living room. It's not the bedroom. I think we have an outside bedroom, but this might very well be also the bathroom and the lounge.
Nice.
Mr. Wagner is discontent as usual about something that I did.
Yeah, he's always making a mess.
I am. I want to elaborate on a point this morning, that you don't need a camper van and you don't need a Porsche. You just have to want to go. And if you want to go and you only stop driving when it's beautiful, it'll be beautiful. And also, do you realize how many things we fitted in that? It's like we have 2 sleeping bags, a whole tent set up, the kitchen stuff, plus, let me quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cameras. And I think about, I don't know, 15 rolls of film and 1 additional spare lens and a tripod and a gimbal and a drone. Yet again, in this. Also today is going to be the last full day of him being with me, and I think we're going to make it slow, because although it is quite sunny today, it's supposed to rain almost the entirety of the rest of the day. So I guess we are going to stop somewhere and then relax for a couple of hours, as difficult as that is for us. Maybe we have some cool shots from yesterday evening, because up there, wait, where is it? There, up there, a group of a photo workshop of some kind came by, which I mean I've slept in this place 2 weeks probably in total, and I've never seen this many people arriving here at once. And then they did some light painting, and we got so inspired that we actually just tried our own light painting, much to our amusement. But I think it's also kind of cool. Maybe I show you something here. I think I'm gonna make this a thing now. This is a place that every car that I build kinda has to come to at some point during its life. You did good. There's always a noise you think you are hearing when you started on a road trip like this. There's always that, was that there this morning? The thing is, last time I was in the mine, I didn't care. Now I care. Love again, love again. Hand me money.